full Hemis. What J Reed gonna do? What J Reed gonna do? That nigga's turkey with extra sauce. That nigga in there. Oh, I just left it straight. I just left that man straight.